And finally this evening, Maverley and Masters won the Kingston and St. Andrew Masters League mid-season final, defeating Constant Spring Masters 3-2 at the Constant Spring Field at the weekend, at the Constant Spring Complex. It took Maverley just 7 minutes to break the deadlock. Millarda Eldemeyer with a go-ahead goal. With Constant Spring pressing for the equalizer, Maverley benefited to make it 2-0 through Jamoy Sibley's in the 36th minute. Now, Constant Spring continued to press and were rewarded through Jermaine Johnson in the 41st minute. However, Maverley restored their 2-goal advantage when Andre Prawl cut the deficit 2 minutes to the halftime break. Nicholas Smith gave Constant Spring a lifeline in the 50th minute as they made it 3-2, but it turned out only to be a consolation.
To come against Spring now, it's a topping on the cake, because to leave the club that I won so many titles within the Masters League and to go out to my hometown and finally help that hometown and Maverley Masters to carry home a trophy within the Masters League region, it's history. It feels good. It feels good.
It is an upset, but it was a mistake we created, unforced errors we created, and get them the first goal and also the second goal. We make some adjustment, we came back in the game, and then they scored a third goal. It was questionable. Some of my players were saying that it is offside. All right, but we got this game to win nonetheless. We never won it, but that is a part of the whole process.
And